Right then, let's plug it in. Oh, it's reading it. When it flashes, it means it's reading it. Ah, what does it say? Connected to EAS. Do you want to import the files? Yes, we do. Now where have they gone? Are they over here? Oh, look, a criminal there, don't I? Oh, that's knackered me up now. Let's go back here. Let's go towards, go pictures. Does that give us, next base. Look, it looks pretty easy. Right, next base. Let's click on that. Next base, next base. Info shortcut, info, something shortcut. Does that give us pictures? Does that give us files? Looks like you have to download something. Accept all cookies, no. Let's shut that down, let's do the next one. 26, this is up to date. Do you want to open these files? Yes. Well, of course we do. Okay. Come on. This is when I blow the computer up because I keep pressing the button. Come on, let's... Come on. Today. What's happening? Trying to flog us some more stuff, are they? What the hell's going on here? Oh. Do that again. Do that, do that. What does this say? App gaming. Oh no, I just want to see my films. Library. Down library. What's on the library? No, trying to flog me more stuff. They just, you want to plug it in and you want to see your films, don't you? That's what you want. Protected. Now protected. Oh, that's front and rear, isn't it? Let's have a look then. What's that? Protected files. Come on. We've got a particularly... Oh no. Oh, that's the one. Look at this one. Oh, let's go back. This is the one I wanted to show you that I remembered. Look at this plonker. We're coming around the roundabout. Stop it there, right. Look where he's come from. This is the roundabout, junction 10, M42. He's come from over here. Watch. He's gone right across our nose. What a... Let's have a look at that again. Pressing that button, protected files. Oh, that was, what a wally. Right, where are we going next? Oh, let's do that again then. Is that the rear one? Not. I think you can put front and rear on it. Oh, that's a slow-mo one. Well, that's okay. We're going to start from back from there. Yeah, right, okay. Oh, time lapse. Does that mean? Yeah, time lapse. So we don't want to see it in time lapse. Let's see what this one is. Double click that. What have we found here? Oh yeah, very sure. Oh, now this will be detecting a crash because this was one hell of a look. Oh, really sharp speed bump. We were going steady, but it was still sharp. So that was the bump detection system working okay. Let's have a look at this one. What's this one? What have we seen? You're seeing these live and at the scene just as I am. For some reason, we had reason to press the button. What did we press the button on? Or why did we press the protected file? Don't know what the reason that would be. Maybe we had to bump. Maybe the sensitivity is a bit too sensitive. Let's go down. Next one. Next one. So it looks pretty easy. You just get it, put your card in, and off you go. Yeah. Again, see, that was a bump. So I think maybe turn down the sensitivity of the it's detecting something. Yeah, I don't remember this one. No, I don't remember this one. Let's try this one. This is another bump one. Oh yeah, speed bump. What's this speed bump? Rattlers. We're going fairly slow. It's one hell of a speed bump, yeah. So it's the sensitivity on the, we need to turn down the sensitivity. Yeah, here comes another speed bump, yeah. We're on the same place. What's happened here? I wonder, was this a bump in the road or something else? Oh, now, it gave us all the information, didn't it? How did it give us that information? Oh yeah. Now you hold the click button down a little bit, it just flashes it up, what speed we were doing, what time it was, yeah, and the date. So yeah, that's pretty good. Happy enough with that. What was this one? Again, look, speed bump. Yeah, we need to knock off the severity of the speed bump. But it seems to be, no, 6 o'clock. I went the wrong place. Again, look, they like their speed bumps in this place. Big, ooh, that was quite a wobble. That was right. I got lost. The bloke told me where it was. I says, can I spin round in your yard, mate? And he says, yeah, whilst the gate's open, why not? So he kindly let me spin round in his yard. But I'd like the minute before and the minute after, it doesn't give you much time to see. In this particular case here, which is the first one we looked at, it's protected, but it doesn't protect the minute before to see what we were doing and the manner of our driving running up to it. And if I didn't quite press the button in time, I would have run out of time. So I would maybe look at the settings and that and record 3 minutes of it rather than just a minute. I think you'd easily miss that, wouldn't you? I don't know what else is there to look at. Oh, that was protected. Photos and video. I wonder if it's, it may have downloaded the whole video now. So let's have a look at that. Let's see. Now, I don't think I've pressed the button. I think this is just the filming. So you'd have to sort of, if you didn't press the button, you'd have to sort of remember where you were, what had happened, what was interesting, you know. But let's see how it transitions. Let's see how it, they're minute-long sections, aren't they? Let's see. Yeah, or 3-minute sections. Bring that forward a bit. Bring that forward a bit. Let's see how it comes. Yeah, let's see how it comes. Watch the bottom there, how it swaps to the next film. Does it do a good job of that? Comes to a slight stop. Do you have to press? No, you have to press go again, don't you? Or you have to go back here and find it. But at least it covers it blue, doesn't it? Yeah. So I guess it does what you want it to do. there was a particular time where, oh, I don't even remember what date it was. Where the hell are we going? Let's go somewhere random. See if we can find ourselves. Double click that. Oh yeah, we're there, right. Let's get to a terminal. What time was that? Had it set its time yet? So let's go forward. Are we going backwards? We're going backwards, aren't we? Let's have a look at this. No, that was then. Okay. So go forwards. How long did it keep? Oh, it doesn't seem to have. It starts at 7:30. Where were we at 7:30? Where were we at 7:30? Coming down the road, okay. So, 8. Oh, look, 8 o'clock. It seems to have stopped. So this should be in the yard. Is that in the yard, parking up? No. Why did it do that? And then it started again at 4:15. This is in the yard, isn't it? Oh, that's not even on the yard. That's getting instructions after being tipped, and that time is wrong. Let's go down here. Where does it reckon we were at 5 o'clock then? That's, oh, now that's coming out of the rail terminal. That might make sense. Let's go back a bit. Go back a bit. 5:30. Yeah, that's us getting loaded. So 5:30. Where's this? Where's this? Yeah, in the terminal. So it might be right. 5 o'clock. Where's that? Where's that? Oh yeah, that's going on the way. So let's go early then. We must have been moving too quickly. Let's start. I must have clicked the wrong thing, so that must be overwritten. So this is the beginning of the day, yeah. So let's put that in as the beginning of the day. We've tried that, haven't we? Where was that? Oh no, that's in the yard, starting in the morning. Fine. So, 4:30. So it follows you all the way down. When did it stop? Oh look, for some reason, it stopped there. Yeah. Now it could have been me, it could have been unplugged or knocked or something. Or is that just saying that the card is full, it's not going to record anymore? That's me. Where the hell is that? That's me just, isn't it? That's me just, isn't it? What date is that? 14th, 13th. There we are. Let's try that. So something's gone wrong somewhere. But anyway, oh no, 12th, 13th. I'm only guessing I must have knocked the electrical supply off, because after all, it fits in a, there's another one there, look. It fits, what's this? I wonder if it's a difference. Nothing in that one, look. So we'll have to mess with the settings, that's what you have to do, but it seems to be alright. We're getting some out of it. obviously you have to put it and try it and test it and mess with it. But anyway, for now, that's our techno talk over now, aren't we? Let's go and see if Debbie sorted out the drone, see if she's got it going.